Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on MacBook Air M4. To change the wallpaper, just go to Settings, then go to the it'll be in the Wallpaper section, and now you can either add a photo from Photos or from your disk, from any file, or you can add a folder or album, so the photos will automatically switch like each hour or whatever you set it to. Then there are some dynamic wallpapers, some landscape, cityscapes, underwater, or whatever, like there's so many of them, and you can choose any that you want. So like let's set the classic one that's on the marketing materials of the MacBook, and as you can see it has been switched, and some of the wallpapers will take a bit longer to download because they are actually animated. So as I get to the settings, as I set an animated wallpaper, like for example the Los Angeles overpass, or let's set the Sequoia sunrise, which is the default one. Now as I either the screensaver turns on automatically, or as I lock the screen, you can see that the wallpaper will start slightly moving, and it just continues on moving until I unlock it. Then it slows down and eventually pauses. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.